Bless you, love and greetings. I don't know a lion foot. Where I see the image, I hear the voice. In the ears and eyes. Yo, I say, I come to tell you about Taste of Caribbean restaurant. Yo, and them I do it. Fully refurbished, fully up full. Fully beautiful. Yo, me say them cook some nice food. This is different menus. Yo, them have some natural juices. Say, I don't know spirit and alcohol. Dead. If you want to go chill out and have a nice breakfast, a nice lunch, or a nice dinner, trust me, you can't lose. A sure winner. Yeah, man. Just roll out and go chill out with the Empress, or Empress go roll out with the King, and all have vibes. Yeah, man. You don't know. All them taste them patty. Yo, the patty nice and full of spice. Cheese and peas. And me be telling about Taste of Caribbean. Them located at 207 Riley. Opposite the Asda, you can't miss it. Yeah, man, you don't know I sip on weekend too. Them play some nice music. Friday, Saturday. Vibes. Yeah, man, nice music, man. You fully enjoy yourself. Go and check them out. 207 Riley. Yeah, man.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
You are my best friend. I don't ever want our friendship to end. Lion, I'm a lioness. Me say you are heaven sent. You all are the reason I am vlogging again. I'm feeling great, great. From the very first day that we met, I'm feeling great, great. I can't explain the feelings I get. I'm feeling great, great. My mood to vlog you invigorate. I'm feeling great, great. Thank you for restoring my faith. Yes, blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know. Lion foot. Let me know if you don't like the new intro there. It's a song. It's one of my songs that I've written. And I don't know, it's a girl song, a love song, you know? Yeah. You know, the girl changed my life, but right now I fix it. I say, yo, you are the reason why I'm vlogging again. See? Yeah, man. Your support, I appreciate it, you know? Let me know what you think if you don't like that one, they are vlog on the go, where you vlog on the go. I know more time you have to change up the thing, something new. You know what I mean? Let me know what you think. See? Yeah. Alright, my viewers and subscribers. This morning I want to take the time out to big up Digital Kim. Big up Digital Kim. Kim Possible, you know, Zabrick. Yeah, but the thing real, you know what I mean? Like leather. Yeah. Not fabric. You see me? Now my viewers and subscribers, yes, Digital Kim play one of my songs. And she said it to me for a few days now, so my apologies, Digital Kim. My apologies, I didn't know because I didn't check my other phone. Through that one they work off a Wi-Fi. I mean, I lie. You see me? So I see it and respond and apologize. You know what I mean, for the late response. But Digital Kim, thank you very much, my viewers and subscribers. This is one of the songs them off from my album. You know, I'm telling you, my album could drop in a work pan. Welcome to Kingston. Yeah, see? I was singing them tired and fed up by it. I sang on my voice about 2 years now when Dujan, RIP to Dujan. Dujan, one of my players, them youth who died, they killed him, you know. Shot in his head and his mother got shot, his granny got shot. In a Painland village, you see what I say? And I cried when I heard because he just got a scholarship for XLSR to play football. And he was in my team. You know, I'm a football player, I coach him, I train him, I teach him because in the school I was a PE coach, you know what I mean? Physical education, also the football coach, you know what I mean? Also teaching assistant. See? Tavares got primary and I'm here saying him dead. You can't believe the mother on her sick bed in the hospital, she sent come tell me thanks. Song play the night. So I say no, I hold it back and drop it on the album. So Digital came, thanks again because well, I never know you get the song, but big up yourself and thanks. My viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, I'm going to hear a piece of the song. Sorry for the wind in the background, you know what I mean? Now flag, we have flag on the go, we have flag on the go, anything goes, yeah? So the song I'm entirely and fed up with, one of the songs that's going to be on my album. It's a reggae album, strictly reggae, bantra. See? Yeah man, so let's go.
People, this is realrasimaric. Man say I'm tired and fed up, you know, man.
You hear that? Mandela Town dispute. We're tired and we're fed up by it. Yeah man, big up Esprit Avenue, Mango Stone, Mandela Town, all of them garrison run up and down, Catburn Pen, Bell Rock, White Wing. So me I say, Callaloo Bed, so me I say, please, we're tired and fed up of the crime and violence. Every day the same damn thing. Gunshot of fire like bees, it a sting. Them generation and no fear nothing at all. Night or day, them a kill your brawling. Zine, I know a real thing. Yo, my dad Jamaica 2018 and some things when I say broad daylight. I was shocked, I was shaken. You know what I mean? Yeah.
No love now show up badness at all. You recruit a try if you don't him not. Can't get score so him get the shot and but him win by band but out him gone.
No love now show up badness at Chuck. New recruit a try if he broke him ducks. Can't catch Quacker so him catch the shot and busting windpipe and cut out him gut. Ah boy. You see me I say? All these things I remember experience as a youth, and if when we go back to Jamaica 2018 and then from 2017 up to almost 2019, I seen and experience a lot, and enough of the youth them, when me then at the garrison, the youth them and me them look up to and talk to, we have boss it. And when I left them say, "Hey Maric, for your cutting of the age and man them say fire shot again, you know." And I went back down within a month and go do a show. See, we got Balaclava. So me I said, you see me? Big up real scale too. And when I go back down, the man them say, "Boy DJ come like, that's for hurry up and bus, you know." But boy, my viewers and subscribers are real talk. You see me I say? We just want to youth them to stop the crime star. Stop the crime, please.
We're tired. Only need to put on the gun. Right now, it's to Madrid and Rasmaga. I wanted them people here.
Yeah man, we're tired here. Digital Kim I tell us that she tired. Everybody tired man. My viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens. When you can look out for that song here, the song album will contain 12 songs gonna be on the album. Look out for it, trust me. We're not gonna surprise. Big up Digital Kim. Thank you again once more. You know, I can't thank you so much, trust me. Over the moon, appreciate it, gratitude, because sometimes you don't feel down like nobody don't know you or acknowledge your the talent unless they get a little money in them hand. And people, let me tell them, I never get Digital Kim the money. I don't know she get the song, Zine, but yeah, she have the song. I know enough people have the songs there, you see me? But I don't know a matter of time, and I'm grateful for the support that I get from each and every one. All if I one time when I play my song, at least there's time and moment for everything. Seeing so, right now Digital Kim says she's tired and fed up of it, that's why she dropped this song. I know every song have a moment. Seeing? Just like who feels it knows. That's why I say my viewers and subscribers, make me know still. Seeing I don't know, I just want to share that you don't know. You don't know a vlog on the go, I'm at work right now. You see me? Yeah man. So, but I don't want to think about the intro. If you don't want new intro, vlog on the go or I'm feeling great, great. Move to flag it, yes, soon again, soon. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell. Yeah man, soon later on. So look up for the next vlog, alright? We are doing it when our boss now brag. A realness.
John Rastafari, this is the
Cashapp. Yeah man, love it.
Make your praise me. Me feel like you are a man.